the Century Plaza Hotel and Spa on Barrage. 8:42. Look at that live shot from the Century Plaza Hotel and Spa on Barrage Street. Not as pretty as it was earlier this morning with that sunrise.
Gorgeous.
But we've got some beautiful sunrise photos coming up on BT. Welcome back to Karla Dreyer.
Thank you. Happy to be here.
So we're in the kind of getting into that spring cleaning vibe right now, and you've got some hacks.
I got some hacks, and it's fun. I mean, spring is definitely upon us, and it makes us all want to clear and clean and get refreshed. So I have some fun ways to do that I'm going to show you today.
Okay, great.
So the first one is a wood cutting board. Now, this is my wood cutting board at home, and I've always thought, to be honest, how do I clean this thing? Well, I'm going to show you how you actually clean it. So you want to take salt, and you want to just pour a bunch of salt. I'm making a mess here, I know, all over the cutting board. And then you take a lemon, cut a lemon in half, and you basically rub the lemon into the salt all over the cutting board. And this will disinfect it, it'll bring out any stains and actually clean it. Because in the past, I'll be honest, all I've done is rinse it. This works like a charm, makes it smell beautiful, and yeah, it's all natural as well.
And if you don't have a wood cutting board that you cherish, then you might not know. You don't put soap on them, you don't put them in the dishwasher, so that's really helpful.
No, super simple and stuff you have at home, which I love.
All right, let's get dirty with the dog
I'm
here.
so excited about this. So I have a dog, Willow, rescue dog. She sheds a ton. I use a lint roller, it doesn't work. But no longer, I'm going to use a rubber glove. So all you got to do is vigorously go like that with your hand with the glove.
Wow, I can see it.
Can you see it?
And I feel like we're in an infomercial right now.
$9.95 for this rubber.
Oh, wow, look at that,
hey? It actually takes off the glove. So you would kind of just do it all to one corner. It works so much better than a lint roller, and you just need your dishwashing gloves. So
wow.
This is kind of life-changing in my household right now with the dog hair that's everywhere.
Works for cat hair, too.
And cat hair, yes. I shouldn't just, make it to dogs. Okay, next is a DIY all-natural room refresher. I mean, one thing I did this weekend was like open up all the windows. I want it to smell nice.
The smell right now, this is the smell I want in my home. So it's lemon. What else are we smelling?
So we can make it here. So put in the lemons into the jar.
Okay.
So you just cut up your lemons.
Into the empty one?
Yep, into the empty one there.
Okay.
And then rosemary. So a few sprigs of rosemary.
Oh,
Isn't it nice?
Whiff. It's just beautiful.
That's what I love. I think it's that rosemary that really makes it.
And it really doesn't matter how much or how, like,
it doesn't
it's
matter.
just gonna work.
Just eyeball it, and then a few drops of vanilla.
Ooh, what a combo!
So yeah, a few drops of vanilla.
Okay.
And then you add in the water. And there you go. You've got this, and what you do with it is it'll stay good in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. And basically, when you want your house to smell nice, take it out, put a little saucepan, put some in the saucepan, and just let it simmer. And your house will smell absolutely amazing. And then you can put it back in the fridge if you want, or just keep it around. But it's such a nice way to have a natural smell.
And you know what I'm thinking is gifts stress me out, but this is a really lovely gift.
That's exactly what I was thinking too. Housewarming,
yeah.
Going to someone's house for dinner, just put a little gift tag. Oh, yeah, we're on something there.
I know we are.
Like
okay, this is exciting. How to make your own detergent pods.
Own detergent for dishwasher. For one, this costs about like less than 3 cents per run on the dishwasher and is natural. So you can do this a lot of different ways, but what I use is borax, which I looked up and is a natural mineral. Then baking, so a cup of borax, cup of baking soda, cup of vinegar, and then just some essential oil.
And then you freeze them, or they're just like, what do you...
this is it. You just put all that here, a cup of each. The essential oil, mix it up. And
I saw the ice cube trays. I assume they went in the freezer.
Well, they went, no, I know. And use some ice cube trays. You can use them if you want to just pop them out and put them in the dishwasher that way.
Great.
But works
Great money
well,
saver.
Smells good, money saver.
And
awesome.
really quickly, I love it that this is so simple, but I took my breath away when you mentioned it.
I use these at home, so I thought I have to bring this in, is their office clips. And we use them home for everything. So when you're packing up the gloves, you always lose the glove next year when you go to get them, clip them together. Your cereal bag, your flour, anything. We use these all the time, and it's just a nice little simple thing.
Thank you so much, Karla Dreyer.
You.
Lots of great takeaways there. Happy almost spring.
Happy spring cleaning.
Stick around. Another look at those beautiful sunrise photos coming up on Breakfast Television.